Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, Indian Army gearing up for Arjun Mk1A's delivery. The Indian Army's arsenal is set for a boost with the upcoming arrival of the Arjun Mk1A main battle tank. The first batch of these domestically built bank is expected to roll off the production line at the Chennai-based heavy vehicle factory in September 2024. A total of 118 Arjun Mk1A tanks have been ordered by the Indian Army, with the initial batch of 18 slated for delivery before the end of the current fiscal year, that is 24 to 25. Next, HAL engine program stumbles. HAL's Aero Engine Research and Development Center in Bengaluru recently inaugurated a new facility offering a glimmer of hope for the beleaguered HTFE-25 engine program. This 25 kN thrust turbofan engine, initially envisioned for powering trainers, UAVs and small fighter aircraft, has faced significant delays and criticism. But the new facility and renewed focus aim to propel it towards completion. Next, short medium altitude UAVs for Indian military. Bharat Forge, a leading Indian manufacturer of auto components and now a player in the drone market, is setting its sights even higher. On the occasion of Chairman and Managing Director Baba Kalyani's 75th birthday, the company announced ambitious plans to develop its own short medium altitude unmanned aerial vehicles for the Indian military. This move marks a significant step up from Bharat Forge's recent entry into the drone market with the launch of the Bharat 150 multi-payload drone. Next, MDL plans to finalize a deal for the production of 3 additional enhanced submarines. MDL has set all its sights on expanding its submarine manufacturing capabilities, with plans to finalize a deal for the production of 3 additional enhanced cavalry submarines for the Indian Navy. Furthermore, the company is positioned as a front runner in securing the contract for Project 75I submarine, representing the next generation of submarines for the Indian Navy. Next, Strategic Road project in Arunachal. The center has sanctioned rupees 1,782 crore for construction of a strategic road project in Arunachal Pradesh. Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari said on Wednesday. The ministry sanctioned the project for the construction of the 82-kilometer long greenfield road from Pongo to Jorging in Upper Siang district of the northeastern state. The project would encompass package 1 and 2, Gadkari said on Twitter. Next, IFM, that is India's Finance Ministry, plans to top up the nation's strategic crude oil reserves. India's Finance Ministry has scrapped a $602 million plan to top up the nation's strategic crude oil reserve, given market volatility and the prospect of a further decline in prices. Instead of buying at current levels, Brent crude has already slumped about a fifth from a September peak and could fall further if supply remains plentiful. The ministry is asking state-owned Indian Strategic Petroleum Reserve Limited to lease out empty underground storage to refiners and global oil majors, according to people familiar with the matter. Next, India-UK Defence Industry CEOs Roundtable. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and his British counterpart Grant Shapps on Wednesday attended the India-UK Defence Industry CEOs Roundtable at Trinity House in London. Raksha Mantri said this on Twitter. Thank you.